No. It's a tree for the...
The coolest thing about walking around in the village with your children is discovering new things.
Sag mal.
The kids found a fruit that looks like udara, but turned out to be something totally different.
Kamfo. What is ugur? What's that?
It's Aki Inu.
Bitter Kola.
Yeah.
Sag mal.
Thank God for Ezenwa that knows all these things and is patient enough to show us.
Open it.
Darf ich?
Hallo Papa.
Hier kurz. Lass ihn wohnen.
He's not eating it.
Darf
He
ich
just want to
machen?
open. Okay, why is it he has a one? Now he
Darf
wants
ich
to open.
aufmachen?
But this was not an easy nut to crack. Ezenwa had to use his teeth to get it open.
It's sweet, Kana.
Why? Normally the sweet, this thing is not sweet. It's sweet, yeah. This thing is sweet, bro. It's so sweet, huh?
Claiming that the soft part of the fruit was actually rather sweet when it was ripe.
I mean, ripe one,
Was
you know?
wohnen?
This is a small one. It's sweet, it's good.
The kids got a chance to see what bitter cola looks like when it falls from the tree.
It's small. Normally it's big.
And Niergo also wanted to get a piece of it.
But the distance, they not.
Ezenwa made us all try the fruit. But I guess none of us really liked it. Even High Chief decided to change location after trying the fruit.
Yum. Are you running? Yeah, good.